Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Srilekha. So today's video is going to be what I eat in a week. Actually, I'm suffering from corneal abrasion, so due to which my doctor has advised me to stay at home for at least a week. So no work, no college, nothing. So when I stay at home, I tend to make a lot of recipes. I make my own food a lot, mostly I guess. So I'm going to share everything that I eat, and also this video is highly inspired by Shivangi Pithisaria. I really like her content. I'll link her channel in the description down below. If you're interested, you can check that out. Also, due to this condition, my eyes is all puffy and red, so I'm not going to show my face at all. So right now the condition is bad, but I'm sure it will get better day by day. So I'll be only giving voiceover, so please bear with me. And also, if you like this video, you know what to do: like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Breakfast, I thought of making sandwiches with a very minimal ingredients that I have at my home. So let's chop them.
So I chopped them in tiny pieces, और गाजर को मैंने grate कर लिया है. Add everything in this bowl.
And now I'll add this mayonnaise, 2 big scoops. This much shall be enough. I'll add some mixed herbs. About 1 teaspoon. Now I'll mix them well, and some little bit of salt.
Now I'll put everything in the bread. Next, for lunch, my mom was not at home today, so I had to make my own lunch. As you can see, I have cut all the bhindis and I am making here bhindi aloo ki sabzi, the sukhi sabzi. I love that. I am frying some jeera, adding all the masalas, frying them all together. I am not going to show the detailed recipe of it because it's a very basic recipe. You can find dozens of recipes in the YouTube as well. So, and also another thing I wanted to say, that please don't compare or judge with your eating habits by watching this video, because everyone's eating habits are different. Mine is also different. So yeah, I'm just showing what I eat normally, usually. So yeah, please don't compare or judge anything by it. Yeah, my lunch is completely ready. I made some dal and also rice to go along with it. Now for evening snacks, I had corn in my fridge, so I'm going to roast them. It's raining a lot these days in West Bengal, so it's a complete mood. These corns, I just loved it. Next, for dinner, I made some honey chili potato, and my mom made some mixed veg biryani. I forgot to capture the honey chili potato, so sorry, but you can find a lot of recipes in the YouTube. So yeah. On Tuesday morning, I made some mango shakes. I'm cutting them and I'll blend them in the blender. First I will grind these mangoes by adding little amount of milk at a time, because if I grind them before like this, then the sugar will dissolve easily. Next I'll add the other milk as well and make it into a nice shake. You can also add ice cubes in it, but I didn't because I had sinus. So for lunch my mom made some yummy rajma chawal. At the evening I was craving for some noodles, so I made this top ramen in curry flavor. For lunch I wanted to have something light, so I made this carrot soup. I'm just boiling them at once and then I'll make it into a smooth paste. You can also have this if you are suffering from cough and cold. Now I'm going to fry them in butter. Also another thing, please don't throw the boiled water. We'll need them later on. Here I'm adding the other leftover boiled water for the consistency. Now I'm adding some mayonnaise. You can also add fresh cream. I didn't have, so I used mayonnaise for the texture, the creamy texture. Please don't skip this because these are very important for that creamy flavor you will get. Also add mixed herbs, black pepper and salt as per your taste. And yeah, it's ready. On Wednesday I had just roti, bhaji and some mangoes. For lunch my mom made some machar mathadi lauki, then machar jhal. Here is a complete Bengali food. I just love them. Next for snacks I had these sweet potatoes, so I just boiled them, peeled them and chopped them like this. Now adding some kala namak for better taste. It's ready. For dinner I just ordered some momos. I was really craving for some chicken momos. Look at the soup, full of vegetables. Next on the Thursday morning my mom made some yummiest दही वड़ा. घर पे दही वड़ा बनाने का एक ही बेनिफिट है कि आप जितना चाहे खा सकते हो, अपने मर्ज़ी से आप दही डाल सकते हो, चटनी डाल सकते हो. ये दही चीनी में फेंटा हुआ है. Looks tempting, right? For lunch I ordered pizza from Domino's. Evening में मैं ये हेल्थ ड्रिंक पीती हूँ. वैसे मैं ये रोज़ ही पीती हूँ पर मैं अभी दिखा रही हूँ. I'm having it with some makhanas. For dinner my mom made some chole bhature, which is again very yummy. I know I'm saying these words a lot, but it is what it is. सबके मम्मी का हाथ का खाना yummy ही होता है. On Friday for breakfast I made these chillas. These are maida, by the way. You can also use besan as a substitute for a more healthier option. I'm adding all the spices for the taste. Also add suji तभी अच्छे से पलटेगा, चिपकेगा नहीं तवा में। और टेस्ट एक क्रिस्पी सा टेक्सचर भी आता है। सो डोंट स्किप सूजी एट ऑल। For lunch I had roti with butter paneer. Butter paneer is homemade. दोपहर में रोटी खाने का मन कर रहा था इसलिए मैंने ये खाया। It was so hot. बहुत जल्दबाजी में खा रही थी। Also after watching this video you must be thinking that I have junk and healthy food all together. It's because I love fast food a lot, but I have sometimes healthy too, to balance it. I don't know if that makes sense or not. I just like to have like this only. For snacks I had fuchka, and for dinner my mom made chicken noodles. It's like a street style chicken noodles made at home. For dessert I had some langcha. On a sweet note, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.